Let's continue our Larabook series, social networking site in Laravel 5.4. Today we will done couple of things like a view profile and I will design timeline of our status by users. Little bit same like Facebook. We will try to display that timeline on our welcome page here. And before that I need to link some profiles links like in the users table I can fetch user profile by slug. Okay, like my profile, if I click on profile this and if I click on find friend or I try to click on this any person profile I can see its profile same like my profile. Okay, but not with edit button. That's we will figure out. Okay, let's start. For now just go to first of all your resources, view and profile. Here's your index of profile where we are fetching data by our session of who is logged in, but we need data for each. Okay, for that we need to go to app http controller and my profile. Okay, profile controller, we have function index function. When anybody click on profile controller according to our root, here is my roots web.php. Okay, and share, if anybody click on profile and select, it's go to our index. We need to fetch data according to our slug. For that let me teach you step by step. First of all, user data, my custom variable, and write a query tb table. My where condition for slug and get function to get data. Okay, nice. Here in the returning view we need compact, this one compact, and here you will write your custom variable user data. Now yet we have a blank, but we will fetch users and where slug, our MySQL table field name is slug and variable value will be which slug we are fetching here. Okay, if I try to fetch any others like say Anita, if I click here it will display same page with my data because I am fetching data with our session like who is logged in, but we need like I said we need data with for each and here my user are data add write any name. I will use capital D U data and here and for each. We now need to display name with this. Okay, just replace your auth user because we need name of user who is in the slug. Okay, end of the file. I think I am closed are wrong for each. Yeah, a spelling mistake, sorry about that. Okay, now refresh. Yeah, here's your according to your slug. We need all data. Just replace with this uh, copy, and here also name. Here we have pick for avatar for user in MySQL table of users. If I refresh, it will be I think eh, check line number of error 25. This is 25. Is 25. I think yeah. No. I think I mistake in the just undo. Yes, we need to remove this bracket also, and if I replace this time we have not bracket. Just refresh. ah you can see if I click on for demo is dual slug. Demo, it's demo name image, but we need to fetch all data, but other data have in profiles table. So you're guessing right. We need left join in our controller function. Okay, go to your controller function index, right to join second table, left join. Okay, here I will see my second table name profiles, and see profiles dot user data, users id. Yeah, user id. I think you can check field name if you forget, and with attach with users id. Okay, now I think I have enough data to fetch. Refresh. Just go to your index. Just replace with uh, data. Yes, and here also data. Okay, I think I am done. Right now it's a city and country of who is logged in. Okay, if I refresh, it will be become who is on the url. Okay, London, UK. I am demo user. If I click for this user, I am Nita. For your confusion, go to here. uh, how are you? Yes. Refresh. Yes. Oh, sorry, but that's not a matter is your logic. Okay. Okay, refresh. Yeah, you are now right. Go to here. Now just pass a slug in the find friend. Go to view of find friend, and we need slug where we are uh, passing this anchor tag, and our anchor tag is, I think, here. No. Okay. Let me see. We have a any class name. No, we are displaying in the image. Let me find anchor tag. Yeah, here is your anchor tag, and right here URL, your base URL of app, and here's your profile here slash and slug from MySQL table according to which user it is. Refresh. Now you can see it's demo slash this one. If I click on this, yeah, it's not have a about yet. That's why it's blank. If I go to here, if I click on here, mm, we can see right here view profile. It's up to you. You can do it like that. Hmm, I want to done one more thing. uh, I need, when I receive notification, I can see person's photo, user's photo. For that, let me add friend. This one is Oregon, and log out, login with Oregon. Let me check this email ID. Yeah, copy, login. Now it must be have a no. I think I am. I have to confirm this. Okay. For this time we can use this also. It's profiling. No problem. I need to done my logic. Just confirm it. Now you are with friend with her deeps. Now log in with this to see your notification. You have notification and you can read, but first of all, I need to display image also for that person. Okay, for that, go to your master, and where you are displaying user name. Okay, where you are showing name, here you are showing the name of user. Let's say we have a image and we have some source, style. We need width, must be width will be small. For now I am custom using my width a80. Okay, and that's all. And my image will be, I will copy source from here. Okay, copy. Okay, where I'm try to edit. Yeah, here I will need here save, refresh. Not you data. This time we have not. Okay, not. Not pick is our field name in users table. If I click here, it have very large image because it's my width. Spelling mistake. Refresh. Sorry for silly mistakes. Okay, now you can see it like that. Okay, for that we can see our uh, image is very large. For that we can do one more thing, add in new div, class its row, row. Okay, it's bootstrap. Is b tag not not, and here you close your div. Okay, div. I need if one for here class is called md2 2 for my image. Okay, and here close your div. Sorry, I need to press tab for this also, for this also. Okay, and we need one more div class with 10. Okay, 10, and close here your div. Yeah, you can see it's okay for now, but we can do one more thing. Pull left. Yeah, so pull left. All right. We have to increase this width also. Just accept your best and row. We not need row. I think we need empty 11. Yes, it's okay. I think. Let me done my experiment. Here I need to change width again. We have changed its width in the last video also. Hmm, we need to change its width according to my notification. So no problem. This we need 350. I think 350 is okay. Okay, and app.css and classes drop down. Go to your app.css, and I think your app have a in the public. No, here I think. Let me check. Oh, it's a lot of. Its actual width I can see with refresh and go to your here. Sorry, inspect element UI main width 160. Okay, just check main width. Let me find out. Yeah, here I think. No, don't want to waste your time, but I'm sorry about that. 160. Here is 160. Let me confirm the class name is drop down menu. You can see it's 150. I am changing it 350. 350 pixel. Refresh. Yeah, you are right. Now we can arrange this. Just close your app.css and in the after note, or you can do pull right. I think not. You no need pull right, but we need to decrease width of your profile image. Yeah, it's nice now. Hmm, plus image rounded. Rounded is bootstrap class. I think I am right. Uh, you can do one more thing. It's class here. You have one more class 30 30 and images circle. Okay, you can use the same for this. You 30. Move extra image tag. Refresh. It's right. Also okay. One more thing we can do. We can do margin 5 pixel. It's okay. We have not accepted your request and our username. And click on this notification is go to notification page and count will be 0. And that page we can show link of user profile. Okay. Uh, for note also we can do one thing span style color will be our hmm, black for our note. Close the span. Just refresh. It's nice. And that anchor tags you can use for whole li. I think so. It will be good decision. And close anchor tag will here. Refresh. It's all like our Facebook type. If I click notification, it's go to your here and it's gone 0. But we need link here profile who is accepted my request. For that, just go to notification Here's your profile name. Yeah, here. And for that find friend, we have mentioned our profile link. Just go to your notification, paste here, refresh. Okay, refresh. You not you list. Here is not because we have to follow this for each. Refresh. If I click on this, it will be display who is accept my request. For fix this, we need to display only it's my own profile. Then we need edit button. Okay. If I click here, it will need to display this button only if I am logged in as that person. Okay, for that just copy this if okay and go to your index or profile, and here you can displaying anchor tag of button. Yeah, here paste here, one time tab button click, add the rate and if. Okay guys, it's my profile, so no problem, this time I can see this. But if I refresh this, we don't need to display this on my that. For that I need modify if condition. This is my id user id. Okay, I need to compare with this. Who is login id is matching or not. If I wait, save. If I go to refresh this, it's gone. But on my profile, let me check its display or not. It's not because we are error in the our this id is not that id. We just need to figure out. If I click to display, I'm trying to display which id is passing there. User data id, refresh. Id is okay. Our logic is right. I think I am wrong with the if statement. If this id is equal to this, let me show this to this one id. One id person name is Hardeep Singh. Okay, this id is wrong id. This time is showing 5 id, but when I click on my own profile, it's showing id equal to 3. That means it's display profile id. I hope so. It's profile id. Yeah, it's profile ID, user ID one. This time we can use this type, user ID. Okay, if I refresh, we need to display one. Yeah, right. Now we will complete this if statement, user ID. Okay, just compare this two ID to display right button. Now we have a edit button, but if I click on any other person like a organic, this person had no ID, and in any Katrina had no ID. Okay, I need to done one more thing. We need to display status. We have to finish status uh, functionality in upcoming video, but I want to design that look which I need to display status. Okay, so you can run, you can learn something about css also. That's why I am doing it. Go to your welcome page, and we don't need any this style, just remove it. Okay, and we don't need here lara book. Here I will create timeline, timeline of user status, status like a facebook type, and we need style sheet. So that's why I will copy our any of with using a app.css. Just copy this for style, paste here. Okay, we will be blank. Okay, uh, I think I need to copy. I need to keep this style. Don't worry about that. We need title, HTML background, full width, but we need this style sheet for Bootstrap, and we don't need this type data. Okay, I will create my own. Okay, it's look like our before that, and link, title, content. I think it's all okay, but we need background is little bit different from white, because of my other styling. Okay, and here we will start our container div. Container is class of Bootstrap. Okay, container. Refresh. If I can see and expect element, here you can see container, and container has something predefined classes style. Okay, just leave it. We need to finish our functionality. So that's why in this video I will be um, I will done our design of timeline status. Just follow my classes. You can create your own according to your as you want, according to your requirement. Background color, here I will mention white. Okay, if I can see this line because we have not content. For content we need similar like our notification. We need one d for width, small width column md, call md, 2 and 1 for here close this div, and 1 div for 10. Okay, here pull left, same I like done in um, that our notification bar. Here I will use image. For now it will be static, so I will copy any of image URL. Why? But we need style for this. Style will be width. It will be something large little bit, and margin will be 10 pixels. Okay, it will be our image. Okay, uh, and for this here 10. Here we will display our heading of who is status doing. Uh, Heading will be h3, name of user. Okay, h3, close h3. Okay, and here paragraph, city name, and I think location, country, paragraph close. Okay. Mm, and one more thing. After that, here we need one more class for column uh, 11, because we need large full width paragraph. Here will be updated status written by users, something like that. Okay, if I click on refresh, this one I need image, so for that I can use any of image, like I use this image. Okay, uh, because we are just doing for a static way, we will, don't worry, we will replace with our dynamically. Refresh, it's our name of user, city name, country. One more thing you can do, style, color, I think gray, dark gray. Nothing. Will be 333. It's also dark gray. Right? I think it's uh, this one. No. Let me do with inspect. Why? Not that. That's all. I don't need to waste the time. For that, go to home, find friend. We need one more for one more image. This container is okay, but our this line will be our in the loop. Okay, and copy image address, paste here to see different users. Okay, now that's all for now. We will display functionality in the next videos.